I can't tell you. I can't tell you. It's a secret.
What's in? I want to see what's in.
No, sir. You have to wait.
I want to see what's in.
No. You have to wait, mister. What's that?
Video.
A video? What's that?
Video.
You think so? Yeah? Hey, what are you doing? You can't touch those.
Somebody wrapped it.
Yeah, Santa. He brought them last night when you were asleep. What are you doing?
I want to see what's inside.
No, you can't open it.
I want to see what's inside.
No, you can't open it.
I want to see what's inside.
But you can. That's cheating. You have to wait, babe.
I don't want to see what's in.
No, sir.
I don't want to see what's in.
No. No.
I'm just putting my finger in.
Nope.
Or what?
Because you're cheating. Santa Claus is going to come take these presents back if you open it before.
I want to open it.
Too bad. So sad, mister.